drag of an unfiltered Marlboro Red, and I'm taken back with every drag that I breathe in. And I'm left wanting, craving you so bad again. I'm on the border of crazy, I can't stop inhaling these damn cigarettes. I'm addicted. I'm addicted, yeah. I can feel the burn with every sip I take, and I'm drunk on you again. Can still taste your lips after just one kiss as I slowly take you in. Like a raging fire running wild underneath my skin. Having withdrawals, I can't get enough, I'm close to caving in. I'm addicted. I'm addicted. I'm addicted. I'm addicted. Yeah. I can't get enough of you. Everything that you do, you give me a rush. Just one touch, I'm so strung out on your love. I want you in the palm of my hand, so I can slowly inject you in. Driving me insane, getting carried away. I want you to stay. I'm addicted. I'm addicted to you. To you. To you. I'm slowly drowning, my mind's clouded, reaching for you now. I'm going under, feel the thunder, I wish that I knew how to let you go, but I know I'm not able to walk away. So I'll take my chances, learn to dance, embrace all this pain. I'm addicted. I'm addicted. I'm addicted. I'm addicted. Yeah. I can't get enough of you. Everything that you do, you give me a rush. Just one touch, I'm so strung out on your love. I want you in the palm of my hand, so I can slowly inject you in. Driving me insane, getting carried away. I want you to stay. I'm addicted. I'm addicted to you. I'm addicted. I'm addicted to you. I'm addicted to you. To you. To you. To you.
Should I stay